The new DDJSZ completes our range of Serato DJ performance controllers. It's the fourth and final unit in this professional DDJS range, which has something for every situation, setup and price point. From small to big, they all effortlessly provide the most exciting new features that Serato DJ has to offer. Different levels of portability, connectivity and build quality make this technology accessible to everyone. The SB is perfect for beginners at the lowest price and is the most portable, but is still completely capable of providing professional results. The SR is the next in line with aluminium faceplate, 8 performance pads and 4-deck control. The SX is the perfect balance of portability, unprecedented performance control with a built-in 4-channel mixer for big system connectivity. Finally, the SZ is the ultimate professional Serato DJ controller the market has been waiting for. At 10 kilos or 22 pounds and just under a meter wide, it packs in most of the technology found on a CDJ 2000 and DJM 900 Nexus setup with that familiar spacious layout and chunky controls. The most obvious is the huge CDJ platters with central jog display. This shows the playback position as well as a red countdown to the next cue point, providing the best virtual stickers on the market. And unlike other controllers, the DDJSZ accurately replicates the Serato DJ playhead on screen and in high resolution. This combined with conductive touch technology for smoother, lighter, more responsive control, not to mention mechanical tension adjust, makes the SZ perfect for beat juggling and scratching. The platter edge also lights up blue when set to control decks 1 and 2, and white when controlling decks 3 and 4, making assignment stunningly clear. Break speed, wide pitch, slip mode, and all the usual flagship deck controls make it everything a professional could wish for. The popular pad section works exactly like the DDJSX, with hot cues, roll, slicer, and velocity-sensitive sampler, but with 3 new shift modes. Hot loop, loop save, and slicer loop mimic the main pad effects, but with added auto looping. The pads themselves are the biggest on the market at 30mm squared, spaciously laid out with plenty of room to get creative. The new color illumination makes it easier to know which pad effects you are controlling. Even more useful and exclusive to the SZ is the ability to customize the color of each hot cue pad in Serato DJ. Now you can categorize cues with a different color for beats, breakdowns, or intros, and always recognize the right button to press for every track in your collection. The DDJSZ will take center stage of almost any size setup with its 4-channel standalone mixer that shares the same build quality, components, and layout of our flagship mixers. High-quality faders feature deck fader start control and P-lock caps that will never come off accidentally. Our best ever magnetic crossfader is capable of performing 10 million operations without losing quality and has attention and curve control. In the style of our top-of-the-range mixers, you can now take advantage of 4 sound color effects. Choose between echo, filter, jet, or pitch, and then turn the knob on any channel to instantly apply the effect. Twist to the right from its center position to get a high-pass filter, or left to get a low-pass filter. What makes these totally unique is there are 6 independent FX units, making it possible to dial in different parameters for the mics and sampler output, the 4 mixer channels, and now the master channel too. On top of the sound color effects, the SZ has an all-new oscillator section, allowing you to instantly trigger and control extra synthesized sounds on top of your set. Noise, siren, horn, and reverse cymbal add extra depth to your mixes and can be combined with sound color effects and routed to mixers channels 3 and 4 or to the master output. As well as all these great performance features, the SZ has been designed to make it easy to switch DJs by including 2 USB connections. 2 laptops can be connected at once and the entire controller can be split into 2, which makes it possible to DJ back-to-back effortlessly, with both having access to all functions of the mixer. When the previous DJ has disconnected, the DDJSZ automatically switches over control of the other half. To make this a reality, we've included 2 24-bit sound cards with 5 stereo channels out. These sound cards also feature 5 stereo inputs, so you can control Serato DJ's 4 virtual decks with Serato noise map discs or vinyl, and record your whole set with the 5th stereo input. Of course, the DDJSZ will work as a MIDI controller and sound card for any music or DJ software with the same switchover capabilities, and even connect 2 different audio applications from the same computer at once. When it comes to connections, a total of 4 CDJs or any other line level devices can be mixed. Channels 3 and 4 have phono preamps, so 2 turntables and 2 CDJs can be used in combination. There's also dedicated inputs for 2 microphones, which means you won't have to sacrifice mixer channels. The output section is the same as the DDJSX with balanced XLR master and balanced jack booth, plus master 2 on RCA. However, it is seriously upgraded when it comes to quality, as it borrows flagship technology to get a stunning 107 dB signal-to-noise ratio on the outputs. The SZ uses an audiophile Wolfson digital to analog converter, as found on the CDJ 2000 Nexus. Providing access to the best of all worlds, the DDJSZ can be combined with CDJs for record box playback, sub-controllers for even more control, and even turntables for vinyl purists and scratch DJs. It's the most affordable way to get flagship CDJ and DJM build quality in one consolidated unit, and provides a fistful of exclusive functions you won't find anywhere else.